Hi beauties, welcome back to Finding Edie. I am Edie, obviously, and I have a BoxyCharm for you. It is January's BoxyCharm. Can y'all believe it's a new year? Wow, how did we get here so fast? Today it is snowing outside and it looks like a picture. So it's that happy moment of beautiful snow right now before it turns into, oh my God, when is this going to go away? So yeah, let me just jump right in to the products for the base box this month. We have 5 full-size items, and the first one is from Wonder Beauty. It is Sweet Escape Palette. So it says, send yourself on a sweet escape with this perfectly curated collection of matte and shimmering neutrals and bold shades that take you effortlessly from day to play, wherever you wander. This retails for $42. And the colors, are we ready for it? They are beautiful browns, shimmery golds, and purples. This is a basic palette. You can do night looks and day looks with it. Look at that. So I will be using this and letting you know my first response to it. So be looking forward to that in this video. Next thing we have is Elm's Rehydrating Ginseng Toner. So we know Elms is a great company. We love their products. This is perfect for dry skin. This nourishing treatment toner helps maintain the skin's natural pH level without the use of alcohol or other harsh detergents. It is great for dry skin, and it is a treatment toner helping to maintain the skin's natural pH level. And I really need this right now because my skin wants to dry out. It says for dehydrated dry skin, and it refreshes, soothes, and rehydrates. It's a refreshing facial toner. I'm actually really excited to use this. I have my face prepped and ready to go for it. So I will be showing you that a little bit later. So this retails for $37. The next product we have is from Persona Cosmetics. It's an E-Balm tinted lip balm. A sheer light-weighted tinted lip balm packed with nourishing ingredients designed for feel-good comfort anytime, anywhere. This retails for $22. Ooh, wow. That is beautiful. We'll just have to see how that comes out. I love that there's so many tinted balms now. Next thing on our list is from Love+Craft+Beauty. It's Plasma Gloss. Okay, so here's the product. This all-over iridescent bronze gold gloss is a multifunctional, buildable gloss that adds a dewy, bronzy, iridescent glow to eyes, cheeks, and lips. That's really interesting. We're going to have to see how that works. So here's the product. And they're saying that you can use that on your lips, your eyes, or your cheeks. And this retails for $18. So the last full-size product we have is from F.A.R.A.H. And this is a liquid eyeliner. A matte black, highly pigmented liquid eyeliner that will blow you away with 18-hour wear. It's a felt tip, and I love felt tips. It's just easier to put on. There you go. I will also be putting this on, and I don't hardly ever wear eyeliner, but when I do. And this retails for $20. So that is the 5 full-size items from BoxyCharm this month that I received. Thank you, BoxyCharm, for gifting me this base box. All the details about all of these fantastic products will be in the description. Don't forget to check it out for that reason. And for your code for BoxyCharm, for you to go and get you a monthly subscription of BoxyCharm and join our community.